Hello guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Corex TV, and on today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to position for the latest airdrop on Mr. Cat's Twitter page. Now Mr. Cat is one of the most influential airdrop runners on Twitter, and his success rate is around 99%. So on our journey of interacting with every airdrop on Mr. Cat's Twitter page, today is day 2. Now if you missed out on day 1, the video is on my YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get access to the video on day 1. And on day 1 video, Mr. Cat interacted with virtual protocol, so we also interacted with virtual protocol. He did that a week ago and was already rewarded with over $400 plus. So we interacted, and with hope we're going to get our own chunk of it. So that's that for virtual protocol. If you want to see more of this, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and you will see the video I made on virtual protocol. Now on today's video, day 2, as you can see, so far the last airdrop seen on Mr. Cat's channel Twitter page is the virtual protocol, of which I'm about to show you right now. So you will see, yeah, this is it. That was December 3rd, virtual protocol. So the next airdrop we're going to be doing is the one he dropped today. Yeah, so this is it right here. Testnet guide for Fiamma chain, and Fiamma chain is actually a new blockchain of which they raised over $4 million in their first round of funding. So we're going to be interacting with Fiamma chain and position for the airdrop. Now remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Corex TV so as not to miss out on anything. So for the first step, we'll be visiting this test bridge, and is a referral link. So I'm going to be dropping my own referral link and also Mr. Cat's own. Now do well to use either of them. Remember, this YouTube page is in no way affiliated with Mr. Cat. It's just me, a mentee, an admirer who is trying to dedicate all his effort in following his mentor. So that's just it. So the first thing we're going to be doing, we'll visit this link, then we'll connect our EVM and Bitcoin Testnet wallet, OKS or Unisat, add network to Metamask, connect X account, and done. So let's click on this image and see what we have here. So when we go there, we'll connect EVM, then we'll also connect Unisat wallet, and that's not all. Then the second thing we're going to do is approve the network we're going to add to our channel, our wallet. So let's dive into business. Yeah, so this is it. So now I'm going to click on connect EVM wallet, and I'm going to be choosing Metamask wallet. Yeah, because I have Metamask. Or no, let me go with OKS wallet. Yeah, you choose the one you want to use. For me, I want to personally go with OKX wallet, because I'm comfortable using OKX wallet. So you approve, and we're going to add the network. Yes, signature. Yeah, URL is already in use by Holesky Airdrop. So let's see. Okay, hold on. You know what, let's disconnect this and let's go ahead with Metamask wallet. Yeah, I'm gonna use Metamask. Approve. So we've already added it. Good. So now we're going to confirm the transaction. So that is all for that. So then we're going to be connecting our BTC wallet address. So you click on Unisat. allow this site to switch the network. Yeah, switch the network. So we'll switch it from live to what? To testnet. Good. Allow this site to switch the chain. So we'll switch the chain. You see, it's a prompt, so you just keep clicking on what? The link as it goes. Yeah. So we have successfully connected on both ends. Welcome to the Fiamma community. Alpacas are still napping. Stay tuned. Share your referral code with others to get fluffy energy. So this is my referral code. Good. So let's get on to the next task. It said connect EVM, Bitcoin testnet, add network to Metamask, connect X account, and done. So we're going to be connecting our X account and we are good to go. Okay, so we're going to click on follow right here. As you can see, Mr. Cat is following them and they have 22,400 followers. So we just followed the Fiamma Chain official Twitter page. So I believe that's all for now. So then we'll go into the next round. Requesting Faucet. So we'll click on this link. We'll copy the Signet address from Fiamma and paste it on the Faucet page. So I'm going to be clicking on this link now. Yeah, where we're going to request for what? Our Faucet. So now we're going to be copying this Signet Bitcoin testnet address because that's what we'll be using for the Faucet. Okay, I've clicked on copy. I don't know if it copied, but let me be sure. Okay, it did. So that's it. Now we'll go into this Signet BTC Faucet and we're going to request for the what? The Bitcoin Faucet. Remember, a Faucet is a test token. It's not the real BTC. Please don't go and sell it. Okay. So let's pass our bot check and we're all good to go. Now get Signet BTC. Good. So success transaction ID this. So we've successfully requested for what? Our Faucet that we're going to use to run everything we're going to run on this page. So going over, then we'll know what we'll do next. Faucet, yeah, we've claimed for the Fiamma page. Claiming the Holesky Faucet. Holesky Faucet.io, impute address and claim PC Chrome. Okay, good. So let's go and claim the Holesky Faucet. Attest your device to what? Claim this. So let's get our wallet address. Yeah, this is the address we used. So you click copy. You paste that right in here. And when you do, you click on get what? Tokens. Yeah. Create a passkey to sign in. Yes, let's create a passkey. Good. So you confirm. I just created my own passkey. You do yours as well. Remember, this is a test, so I was still going to change it. Now review your actions. Some things you should know before proceeding. Attestation data being stored on the chain. This. So attest and get my tokens. So click that. Passkey saved, pin created. Good. So now it's getting our tokens. As you can see, is loading. Your ETH is on the way. Attestation succeeded. Please check here. So we have successfully what? Gotten our what? Test token. Yeah, impute address and claim. Done. So let's see. Let's be sure we did the right thing. 1, 2. Good. We're good to go. Now using platform bridging test token. So visit what? This page. So we're going to be visiting this page and we're going to be bridging from what? The Signet BTC to the Holesky. Good. So now remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, for more of such what updates from Mr. Cat. Yes. So we're going to be switching chain. Good. So we have successfully connected. So from Signet Bitcoin Testnet to what? Holesky. Now recipient address, amount. Okay, so let's see. We have 0.001 BTC. So let's put 0.00001. Good. Now it's invalid recipient. It's asking for address. Yes, connected. So you tap on that and you put in the address. Deposit to what? Holesky. You click on this. I have learned that this service is also only available to what? Non-US person. So you deposit. Now if you observe carefully, you will understand what is going on here. So they are trying to deposit from what? Well, let's sign this transaction first. They're trying to deposit from what? From Bitcoin to what? To EVM compatible what? Wallet. So as you can see, processing. This might take several minutes. So we're currently processing the transaction that we've currently run. So let's go back to Mr. Cat's page and see, because remember, we are in the fourth out of the 6 steps. So transfer 0.0001 sBTC from Signet to what? Holesky. Click deposit to what? To Holesky and what? Approve Metamask. Bridge back token to Signet. So we're going to be bridging back the token to Signet. Okay, we'll be doing this over and over and over again. Remember, one of the things that will make you qualify for most of this airdrop is not just you doing it once and forgetting about it. It's gonna be a routine. You do it the first time, second time, at least if you can be doing this once every week, you stand a chance of being eligible for the big drop. Yeah. Now remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please and please and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for what? Updates like this. So we're going to be bridging back, but as you can see, it's still processing. This might take several minutes. So let me see if I can try to bridge. It say complete the Galxe task. Yeah. So this is the last step. Let's see. Open. The Galxe task, you can do it on your own. Then when you're done, you join their Telegram channel. So I'll be joining their Telegram channel. Let me see what they have to offer. Once again, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please and please and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so here we go. You see, the transaction is still taking time to process. So I'm going to try to prompt it and perform, transferring from EVM to to the Signet BTC. So, and I will also advise you do the same at your own end. It's just a bridge. We are bridging. Most of this bridge, when you bridge in such manner, is usually very, very rewarding. So we're going to swap this. Now we're bridging from Holesky Ethereum Testnet toward the Bitcoin. So we're going to, good, we'll tap on this and it has popped up. Now the amount we're going to put available 0. Now as you can see, because the amount we bridged has not yet entered and the faucet we requested from Holesky is not yet here, that's why it's showing 0. But I will advise you, at your own comfort, try to do this. Try to do this. It's very important. So Mr. Cat farm, Discord this. I'm already on Mr. Cat's Telegram channel. I will advise you also join there too. So good. So let's see This tax is something you can do on your own, and I will advise you do it, and be careful while doing it so as not to make any mistake. So officially we are done. While this is still processing, try to complete this task on your own. So thank you for tuning in on this YouTube tutorial on how to be eligible, or on how to interact with the Fiamma chain. So see you one another time.